Alright guys, so I just came back from getting some takeout. Here is, this is ramen. This is the shoyu ramen. Here is the donberry, sort of like a rice dish. And this is from Ramenya, and we're going to do a quick taste test here. Alright, here is Ramenya's shoyu ramen. Let's do a quick taste test. Just a little quick one for you guys. Taste-wise, it's actually really good. The broth tastes really clean. Yeah, there's a lot of veggies in there. You can taste the aroma of the vegetables. They put like things like spinach and stuff like that are in there. So definitely check it out. And be right back for it and do a taste test on the other one. All right, here is the katsu donberry thingy, I think it's called. Let's do a quick taste test. There you go. Do a quick taste test of that. It's good. It has a good flavor. Pretty typical of any Japanese rice dish that's similar to this. Check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.